Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application purpose-built for the design domain. If you're a designer, you absolutely shouldn't miss it. Please subscribe to our channel. In the previous episode, I explained how to use AI Draw to render architectural models. If you need architectural model rendering but haven't watched that episode, you can find it via the link in the description. Today's video will cover how to generate images from line drawings and how to generate images from real-world photographs. Okay, let's begin. First, we'll explore AI image generation from line drawings. Upload the line drawing image you want to use for creation. If it's an architectural line drawing, select the base type according to its line thickness. Do the same for indoor, landscape, and bird's eye view drawings. Keep the parameters in the base image toolbar at their default values. Set the image size to Ultra. In Design, Field and Style, select your desired style, click Generate, and after a short wait, you'll quickly get a beautiful AI-generated rendering. Similarly, this method can be used for generating line drawings for interior design, landscape design, and urban design. Let me now show you how to generate AI images from real-world photos. Take the case of renovating an old house as an example. First, upload a photo of the old house. After uploading, you'll automatically enter the photo editing panel. At this point, the base photo may contain extra lines or clutter. These elements can interfere with the image generation process, so we'll use the AI Remove tool in the panel to eliminate the unnecessary lines and clutter, making the base photo cleaner for better results. Next, select the photo type as architectural photo and click OK. Then, in the Design field and Style section, pick your desired style. For demonstration, let's choose Chinese Style Villa 1. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the old house renovation is complete. The once weathered old house is transformed into an elegant and stately Chinese-style villa with blue bricks and white walls. Let's look at another case where the subject is a more bare-bones rough cast house. First, upload a photo of the rough cast house and select the rough cast house photo as the base type. Without changing any other parameters, choose your preferred design style and click Generate. In a short while, the rough cast house is instantly transformed into a modern villa with clean lines and a strong sense of design. Of course, in addition to the above two types of buildings, other types can also be AI renovated through photos. By selecting different design styles, you can achieve diverse design outcomes. For instance, with a click, plain white walls can become vintage red bricks or industrial style gray bricks, creating a completely different facade. Moving on to interior design applications. Upload an interior photo and select the interior decoration photo as the base type. To allow the AI some creative leeway, set the conformity of the base image to 0.4. Then select your desired design style and click Start Creation. Soon, the interior renovation rendering is generated, with upgraded color schemes and soft furnishing textures, as well as detailed material reflections and light shadow transitions, instantly transforming the space's ambience. That's all for this episode. I'll gradually explain other AI tools in Archmaster in the future. Stay tuned. Friends interested in Archmaster, remember to subscribe to our channel. I'll put the website link in the comment section. See you next time.